Welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how to apply, how to fill up ICF form when you travel to Suriname. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So guys, when you travel to Suriname, you can fill up this form up to 7 days in advance, which is an electronic form for immigration and custom. Okay, so I have opened the site. Here you have the link, fill your form. It is like free. So if you're traveling to Suriname, you're gonna select this one. Okay, now you need to select resident citizen of definitely or no, entry fee with a tourist card, PSA document, transit. So I'm gonna show this one. Okay, arrival date when you are coming. As this can be done up to 7 days, that's all coming here. When will you leave? So let's say you are leaving on 2 week trip. Entry fee or visa number or tourist card number. Okay, so I'm gonna try to bypass this if I can by putting some sample, but I'm not sure if I. Okay, somehow I managed, but definitely I'm not gonna submit. So next is port of entry, how you're gonna enter. So do it as per your own case. Flight which you're entering. Airline, first ported entry, which country you'll be first porting. So let's say you're going from Canada, but again, do it as per your own case. Next, last name. I'm putting sample. You put your as per your own case. First name, date of birth. Of course, you know your date of birth. I don't have to tell anyone. That's okay, Sam. Your email. Okay. It's recommended to create a password for your future account, but I'm not doing it now. But I would highly recommend so that you can retrieve your applications and other things. Nationality, passport number. Make sure you check everything 2 times, whatever details you do, because you don't want any last minute trouble once you reach there, right? Or anywhere during your journey. It's gonna be really painful. Countries visited during last 6 weeks. So if you didn't visit any country, just leave it. Mobile number, do it as per your own case. Second mobile number, not mandatory. Gender, marital status, occupation. Wow. Country of residence, okay. City, home address. Of course, you know your address, but again, everything check it twice. I'm gonna go for next. Next is destination. Accommodation type. I select hotel, hotel name, whatever it is, do it. Address, provide the address. If you have booked already, definitely you know. Length of stay, let's say you're gonna stay for 14 days. Purpose of visit, let's say going for tourism. Next, health. Uh, Emergency contact person name. So if you have booked trip, you definitely know that. Yeah. I think I exceeded the digits. Relation, let's say it's a friend. Next. Okay, this is submit page. I'll definitely not fill it. Spouse and children underage accompanying you. So I don't do this. Number of luggage accompanied. Wow. Unaccompanied luggage. Wow. I'm bringing fruits, plant, cut flower, vegetables, soil, meat. So I'm selecting no, but you read and then answer. I have commercial merchandise. We are in possession of monetary instrument more than, wow. Residents, okay, visitors, description, value, declare. Okay. You can place here your autograph using your finger, mouse, or touch pen. Wow, you can do that. Let me try touch pen. Wow, it works. It's excellent. Of course, I'm not going to submit, but that's how it works, and this is absolutely free. Okay, at the end, you can take a screenshot, or you can also take the QR code. That will help. That's why I was telling you initially that if you can make and make an account, that's always going to help you. So that is how things works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.